So good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to talk about logical OR operator. Already we have discussed OR. Now today I'll be talking about NOT operator. Right. So the main purpose of the NOT operator is that it converts or else it flip invert true as false and false as true. So the NOT operator is like it like inverter, like the way how our inverter, like UPS, we can say inverter will do when the power, how the inverter will work. Let's take one example. Let's take a real-time example where let's suppose electrical status means the electrical status is true, means yes, correct, power will be true. Yes or no? Now, when the electrical power is true, obviously we are going to make what is called inverter status. Inverter status is false. Clear? So if electrical status is equal to true, means already it is true, right? If true is equal to true, which means what? Obviously, we are going to print status of inverter is the current status. Inverter status. Else, sometimes the electrical power might go off. Then obviously inverter need to be enable it. It will be produces the electrical power, right? Okay. Now obviously else what happens now? You are going to print, right? Electrical power status. So here we are going to make inverter power, right? Inverter power, we are going to make it as enabled. Inverter power status is going to be what? Explicitly, we are going to use, there is an operator is called as a NOT operator. Then inverter status. Now you see, according to the current situation, when the electrical status is true, inverter status is going to be false. Now let's execute. Right. Let me execute and see the output. Now you see When you see now, the electrical power is true, electrical power is there. Now inverter is going to become false. Yes or no? Now what I'll do is that intentionally, now electrical power will go off. Means here, if electrical power false is equal to true, no. Is electrical power false is equal to true? Electrical power లేదు. Is equal to false equal to true? No. So if else will be failed, this statement is not going to be executable. This statement will be inverter status earlier it was false, it will be take it as a true now. You see the output now? Yeah. Electrical power ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇన్వర్టర్ ఆఫ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ పవర్ వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇన్వర్టర్ ఆన్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇన్వర్టర్ లో ఉన్న లాజిక్ ఏంటి? It is going to use, there is an operator is called as a NOT operator. What NOT operator will do? It will be make it the certain devices true as a false, false as a true, depends on the situation. మనకు అలాగనే కావాలి కాబట్టి అది అలానే చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు let's suppose smart AC. If the room temperature is lesser than 18 degrees, NOT operator will make AC to be stop consuming power. Yes or no? If the room temperature go beyond the 18 degrees, NOT operator will be make the AC to be consume the power. Means it generates the AC. Are you clear? These are the few situations where the NOT operator is going to be applicable to solve certain real world problems. Are you clear? There are many situations. Door. If there is an object is stand in front of that, the power will consume and automatically door will be slide. Else, it will be closed. NOT operator only. These many situations we have. NOT operator is going to be applied for making the things to be change the status of the device. Okay. Right.
Hello.
Yes, Swarup.
Yes, sir. ఇప్పటివరకు వినపడలేదు వాయిస్ ఏమన్నా కట్ అయిందేమో అని.
No, నేనేం మాట్లాడలేదు.
ఓకే సార్.
Right. So, so far we have discussed about, arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Let's go to the next operator is that assignment operator. Right. So what's the purpose of the assignment operator? We have, there is a one operator is called as a equal operator. So equal operator is called an assignment operator. What exactly it will be doing? It is used to assign a value from a right hand side to left hand side identifier or variable or object. Clear? So let's suppose if we example, if I say total salary is equal to, so here 50,000 is the right hand side value is allowed by assigning an operator called equal operator to the left hand side identifier. So the purpose of equal operator, what exactly it is helping us? If there is no equal operator, we cannot assign the value from a right hand side to the left hand side. Therefore, assignment equal operator is useful to assign the value from right hand side to the left hand side. This operator can also be associated with, there is a note. There is a note. There is a note. Equal operator can also associated with arithmetic operators. Clear? For example, there is an operator is called as a plus equal operator. This association is called as a shorthand assignment operator. Assignment operator. Why it is required? See, this plus equal operator mathematically invalid. See, have you written anywhere plus equal at a same place? You have not written anywhere, right? But in what situation this particular plus equal operator is mandatory? For your kind information, note. In Python, there are no plus plus minus minus operators. Do you know C language, right? Plus plus operator is the post increment or pre increment operator. Minus minus will be post or decrement operator. ఈ రెండు ఆపరేటర్స్ మనకి పైథాన్ లో లేవు. కానీ కొన్ని సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లో ఈ ఆపరేటర్స్ మనకు అవసరం వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మనము ఈ ఆపరేటర్ని ఇచ్చేస్తాం. Let us take an example. So this file is accessible to you. I have shared in the WhatsApp group. Have you shared? I hope you can access this particular file. You can execute also. Clear? Now, there is a variable is called as a x. Variable value is 10. My problem is increment value of x by 1. ఇప్పుడు x లో 10 ఉంటే దాన్ని 11 చేయాలి. ఇలా generally method 1 is that mathematical method is that x is equal to x plus 1 will become what? 11. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి అవుట్పుట్ చూడండి మీరు. Same, there is a method 2. Programmatically. X plus equal to 1. And then print x. Right? Now you see the output. X value actually 10. Then x plus equal to 1 అని రాసిన 11 వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్. The drawback of this earlier method is that ఈ దీంట్లో x అనే వేరియబుల్ ని 2 times యూజ్ చేసాం మనం. 1. Sir, but whereas here we have used only once. And the memory consumption is going to be reduced. So this expression is going to be shorthand arithmetic expression has been modified through the programmatically using there is an operator is called as an assignment operator. Are you clear? Great. So similarly, we can also use the same operator can be minus 1 also. And if 10 minus 1 is going to become a 9. Increment చేయాలన్నా, decrement చేయాలన్నా, even though we can do the multiplication too. Let's suppose you can make this 2 and here instead of minus, we can make it as a star. X is equal to x2 is going to become what? 20 is going to be the value here. So in place of the plus, minus, star, all these operator can be used depend. But factorial of a given number ni find out చేయాలంటే మనం expression ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. See, here I am just demonstrating you very simple example. In progressive classes, you will see where these operators are going to be used. Are you clear? Great. There is a next operator is the membership operators. Membership operators. What are they? In, comma, not in. Clear? కనిపిస్తుందా? Right. Clear? Now, firstly, we must understand why do we use membership operators? See, membership is nothing but these operators are produce true as an output when searching an element is exist in a group of elements. ఒక గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ ఇంజిన్ లో సర్వర్ లో చాలా మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. నీవు ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నావు అంటే కల్కి మూవీ డౌన్లోడ్ అన్నాడు అంటే కొన్ని వేల లక్షల కోట్ల మిలియన్స్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఒక డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉందా లేదా అని నేను సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నావు. సో సేమ్ జాబ్ is does by in operator. What does in operator do? It will be produce a true as an output whatever the element you are trying to search in a group of elements existing or not. ఉంటే ట్రూ ఇస్తుంది లేకపోతే ఫాల్స్ ఇస్తుంది. If for searching element does not exist, in operator produces false as no. Clear? Let's see now. Now I'll be taking an example. There is a list of Aadhaar numbers. కొన్ని ఆధార్ నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి లిస్ట్ లో. 2233 4455 6677 8899 1234 2345 6789. Yeah, Mahesh.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Mahesh. Can I know about you? Which course you are joining, and can I know your background?
My education background is BTech Electrical Engineering.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
And actually, I'm working with the non-IT side. So I switched to IT. So I taking as automation test engineer.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you coming for the offline class or online class?
Online class.
Oh,
Online.
you are from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. So today, I'm discussing automation testing with Python. This course is. So once the Python is
Okay.
done, then I'll be go with the manual and automation testing. So the demonstration is going on, a Python related demonstration. not automation testing demonstration here. So if you want to listen the automation, what I'm going to cover, so you can able to go through our YouTube channel, App Now Cloud. Then there is automation testing related automation testing related videos are there. You can able to
Okay.
in them. Where yes. Here, where is that? Yes. Yeah, this is the yeah, this is the link where I have given the demonstration towards the automation testing. So if you wanted to listen the class, you can listen the class now. Later you can go through that YouTube. Yeah, right.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Right. So now I'm giving the demonstration about an in operator. In operator is that it's a membership operator. Is it clear? Right. So now what exactly the job is does by the in operator print. I'm searching for the element. I'm searching for the element that 1, 2, 3, 4 in operator where you wanted to search the element whether 1, 2, 3, 4 is existing or not. You wanted to search in the list of Aadhaar numbers as a list. List of in the list of Aadhaar number object, there are group of elements already existing. 1, 2, 3, 4 is exist. It will be produced true as an output to you. Are you clear? This is a searching process operator. It will be useful as a membership operator. Where? Right. Let's I'll be demonstrate that. 4 5s in operator. List of 4 5s are not existing in the above list. Yes or no? You see the output? Means in operator is produces a true as an output if the element is existing. Else it's not going to. If it does not exist, it will be produced false as an output. Now let's take a not in. Not in operator produces false as an output if element is exist. It will be work in a reverse order. In operator will produce the true as an output if the element exists, if it is available. But not in operator will produce false as an output if element is existing. Not in operator element exists unte false అని వస్తుంది output. లేకపోతే true అని వస్తుంది. Clear? So now, and if element is does not exist, not in operator produces true as an output. The element does not, yes, correct, exactly. Yes. Yeah. Correct. So let us take now the same example, whatever example I have taken here. Or else I'll be right here only. Print 1, 2, 3, 4, an element is existing in the above list, not in operator, not in list of Aadhaar numbers. Clear? Yes or no? So now the point is, this in operator is existing. This in operator is existing. Where it is existing, here it is existing. Therefore, it is produces true as an output. In operator, 4 5s are not existing, it will be produced false as an output. But here, not in operator will be reverse. It will be reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 is existing, but it will be give you false as an output. Are you clear? Let's see the output. Clear? So here, it has produced false as an output. Even though 1, 2, 3, 4 is existing in the database, which is a list. So in the negative cases, we are going to use the not in operator. Are you clear? Yes, right. So now similar fashion, if it is does not exist, you see now, same operator, like same example. Copy. Oh, here not in, not in. Clear? Yes, sir. No. So I hope you have understand that why in operator is useful as a membership operator, why not in operator will be useful as a membership operator. So this kind of operations is does in C programming and data structures. In C data structures, linear search, binary search. Have you remembered the algorithms? Linear search and binary search, whatever the job is it does, the same job is it does by the in and not in operator. Are you clear? Yes, sir. Yeah. Right. So, is it clear? So what exactly in operator will do, what exactly not in operator will do? Yes, sir. Yeah. So, Swarup, I hope you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next type of an operator is the identity operators. What are the identity operators we have? One is operator, another is not operator. Are you clear? So now what identity operators does, how it will be helpful then? So identity operators are these operators are used to find if two objects has same memory addresses. Clear? So if two variables has same address, then is operator produces true as an output. Else false as an output. Clear? Let us see the output now. Let us see the execution part. Clear? So now there is a variable, there is a example, like, you have stored in your mobile, there is a Venkat, there is a name of the person called as a Venkat, whose phone number is 7799132754. Clear? There is another person is called same Venkat, is equal to same 7799132754. If you stored same phone number with the same name in your phone, what happens, you tell me? It will be tell you that, shall I update the existing number with a new number? That's what we have seen, right? You see here, print. What is the address of this? What is the address of Venkat? Venkat 2. It is Venkat 1. It is Venkat 2. What is the address for the Venkat 1 is given? What is the address for the Venkat 2? ID means identity. Venkat 2 will be given. You see now output. Same address. Because the value is same, right? 77991324 phone number is same. But you are trying to store two memory allocations. Like, we are wasting one memory or not? That is going to be identified by the is operator. Print. Is Venkat 1, Venkat 1 is Venkat 2. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే వెంకట్ 1 యొక్క మెమరీ అలొకేషన్ లో ఉన్న అడ్రస్ వాల్యూ వెంకట్ 2 లో ఉన్న మెమరీ అడ్రస్ యొక్క వెంకట్ వాల్యూ సేమా కాదా? సేమ్ ఉంటే ఈజ్ ఆపరేటర్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ట్రూ యాజ్ అన్ అవుట్పుట్. కరెక్ట్. ఇన్ కేస్ నేను ఒక చిన్న నంబర్ని చేంజ్ చేశాను అనుకో, ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చూడు, ఫాల్స్ వస్తుంది. అడ్రస్లు డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫాల్స్. Do you understand what exactly it is doing? Yes or no? Correct? Absolutely. So now, is not will work in a reverse order. Equal అయితే false వస్తుంది output. Let's see. The same output I'll show you. Copy. Paste. Is not. Now you see the output. True. Venkat 1 and Venkat 2 holding two different numbers, but it is giving as a true. But is giving as a false. So is not will be applicable for negative test cases to be tested. Is applicable for positive test cases to be tested. Are you clear? There is a closely associativity between the is and the equal operator. There is a relation operator called equal operator. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, print Venkat 1 is equal to Venkat 2. అంటే వెంకట్ 1 లో ఉన్న స్ట్రింగ్ వెంకట్ 2 లో ఉన్న స్ట్రింగ్ ఈక్వల్ కాదా అని టెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. కాదు, ఫాల్స్. సార్ నో. ఇన్ కేస్ ప్రింట్ వెంకట్ 1 నాట్ ఈక్వల్ వెంకట్ 2, ట్రూ విల్ బి గివెన్. అంటే ఈక్వల్ ఆపరేటర్, రిలేషన్ ఆపరేటర్ విల్ బి చెక్ value is there, a value at a variable, but whereas the is operator will check address at a variable. ఆ మెమరీ అడ్రసెస్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే ట్రూ అవుతుంది, కానీ ఈక్వల్ ఆపరేటర్ ఆ మెమరీలో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ఈక్వల్ అయితే ట్రూ ఇస్. స్వరూప్, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please, if you have any questions, you can ask me. So far we have seen identity operators, even membership operators and assignment operators. So far we have seen. Yes or no? So I'll be talk about, Saurabh, I'll be close the, session because, I'll be start the again, bitwise operators. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'll be,
I will
because, I'll be record the another session.
Yeah.
Hmm.